Over the years, WhatsApp has had so many improvement features to their platform, and the current one right now is an AI that has been integrated onto the platform that will enable you to do so many stuff using the WhatsApp. You don't have to go and use any other external application, right? So let me show you a few things that you can do with the new WhatsApp Meta AI that is right here available in the WhatsApp, right? So these are a few examples of prompts that you can use to generate great things with the Meta AI. So let me just use this particular one over here, and let's see what will come up. Most efficient light bulbs. All right, so it gave us an idea of what it is, right? And it also provided us with some links that can help us in regards to that. But right now, let me show you something totally different, right? Let me show you things that I've been able to do so far with this Meta AI, as I've been testing it out to see how good it is, right? I'll also share with you some other things that I like, my idea on the whole Meta AI, right? So if you are on WhatsApp, actually you should have access to this, and right now I'm using my iPhone to do this video for you, and the steps should be the same on the Android as well, right? So the first thing that I did was to ask this AI to help me create an image of a future millionaire trading forex, right? So these are the images that has been provided, right? So the next one, I was like, an African boy driving the latest Lamborghini, right? And this is the image that I've gotten. Then I went on to ask different things. Give me a list of 5 practical steps to become a successful business owner. And of course, it provided me with this practical steps over here, right? And the first one was like, identify your passion and purpose. The next one, conduct market research and validate your idea. And it went on and on, right? So after that, I asked, suggest a few YouTube videos that back your points, all right? So this is what I want you to understand. This particular AI, it kind of follows your conversation, right? It means if you asked the AI something previously, you can ask the subsequent question in relation to that particular thing, and it will provide you with the answer. You don't have to ask a whole new question on its own, right? I'll show you more about this when we go down in this chart over here, right? But this AI is kind of biased a little bit. Let me show you, or let me tell you why I say it is biased. I asked for YouTube videos, but the videos provided over here, they are Instagram videos, Instagram reels, right? I can say because this AI is for, it's a Meta AI, and it's for the whole, the whole Instagram, Facebook, and WhatsApp. So I think they are just providing you with their content so that it goes onto their platform and use their platform for them. They don't want to send it to different, app or different platforms. So yeah, they try to minimize everything onto the platform, right? So that's it. And let's go more. I was like, get me the links to these videos. So it was like, I tried searching for specific videos, but I couldn't find them, right? So let's go on. It was the same thing that I gave. Then I was like, create a cartoon of Mr. Beast. I was like, oops, I can't generate that image. Can I help you imagine something else? I was like, fine, who is Mr. Beast? Then he went on to tell me, Mr. Beast, whose real name is Jimmy Donaldson, is a popular American YouTuber and philanthropist. He's known for his generous influence. So yeah, so I was like, generate an image of Mr. Beast in Lamborghini. Still, it was like, I cannot generate that image. But I think if I should ask, imagine Mr. Beast in Lamborghini. All right, I think I'll do that at the end of this video. So let's wait and see. Let me just copy the text. So when we get to the end, I'll do that, and let's see if it will come or not, right? So the next thing I asked was like, I'm into content creation in relation to productive use of smartphone to edit videos, and also the latest tech update. Write a simple yet powerful business proposal that will help me land a sponsorship deal from companies. So here's a simple yet powerful business proposal for a sponsorship deal. So it gave me like a whole lot of stuff that I'm very, very much impressed about actually. And I was like, wow. Then I tried to use one of their own prompt, which is imagine a cat cafe on Mars. And this is the image that I got. Then in the next one, I was like, imagine a world-class mansion with the latest collection of SUV. So this is the image that I got from there. All right, it's pretty much very nice and looking. I wish I got a home like this right now. That's just by the way. So the next thing I asked was, imagine the latest SUV with a customized number plate, Serene. Right, this is the image I got. Honestly, I don't like this type of car. Like, it's just too bulky for me. And the number plate, there's no contrast in it. So I went on to ask the AI to do something for me. So I was like, make it the latest SUV instead. Make it the latest Lexus instead, because I don't like that car. I want it to be Lexus, right? And I wanted to say this time, not that time, right? So it was a typo. And this time, make the customized number plate more visible in terms of contrast. So this is what you get. So the contrast of the number plate is here, and the car has been changed to Lexus, right? You can see, and the number plate is Serene. But because I wrote the Serene in a small letter, right? It's only in the S that stands with a capital letter. It's kind of did some shabby work over here with the name, right? If you see it, you may not know that it is Serene, right? So let's see what will happen next. The next thing I asked as a follow-up message was like, the customized number plate should be Serene, boldly written there with a good contrast. Now look at what we've gotten. This, from afar, you can know exactly what is there, right? That is Serene right at the back of the Lexus car, right? So yeah, let's see. I was like, good job, thank you. And I was like, thank you so and so. Right, so this is just the latest prompt we inputted. Now let me show you the prompts that I've actually provided. I mean, the one that I've copied, and I want us to see if we can generate an image of it, right? Let's do this together. So I'll be like, imagine Mr. Beast in Lamborghini. Let's see if that's going to be possible. I don't know, it's because I'm specific to the person. I don't know if it's going to be possible, all right? But if I say imagine someone in Lamborghini, I think it will come, right? So let's do this. Imagine someone, let me just put handsome handsome in Lamborghini. All right, let's see what will be the response. We're still waiting. Good. You can see this one, it provided us with the Lamborghini, right? So I don't want just the interior of the Lamborghini. So I'll be like, provide a full view of the Lamborghini. All right. So it's just a follow-up message, all right? A full view of the Lamborghini. Let's see what it will give us, right? So I'm just trying to make good use of this, and I believe you're also going to make good use of it in relation to whatever you want to do, right? A whole lot of stuff. Good. So this is the full view of the Lamborghini that has been provided right here, and I hope pretty much you loved it, right? You loved it, right? So I think that's going to be all for this video. So let me know in the comment section if you're already using this WhatsApp Meta AI, or you are now going to start using it. And also feel free to let me know the things that you've been able to generate with this particular WhatsApp Meta AI. And generally, let me know what you think about it. Is it something good that you think WhatsApp has integrated onto the platform or not? All right, I'll see you in the next video. Bless up.